You. Yes, you with shiny phone, big house, sad face. Sit. Gurucha, tell story.
Picture this, little modern human. You finally buy that dream metal horse, big shiny car, with seats so soft it hug your butt like friendly bear. For first few days, heartbeat fast every time you press shiny start button. Tribe members say wow, and you grin like king who invent wheel. But one moon later, feeling gone, car still shiny, seat still soft, but you empty again, so you say. Maybe I need new phone. Then new house, then new job, then bigger tribe of followers who pretend to love your breakfast photos. Still no peace. You keep running like chicken with Wi-Fi, chasing feeling that run faster than you. Happiness sprint, you crawl. Every time you catch it, it slip away like fish coated in oil. Why? Because your strange brain, designed for survival, never learned what enough mean. It always whisper, more, more. You not celebrate, you calibrate. Gurucha call this the great human joke. You run on invisible treadmill made of want. Scientists with big foreheads call it the Hedonic Treadmill. The Gurucha call it the dumbest gym in history. Basically, you chasing joy with shoes made of mud. But don't feel bad yet, little runner. It not your fault. The trap built deep inside skull long before phone existed. Now, Gurucha show why humans never satisfied, even when cave full of shiny toys. Continue fire story. The modern trap of never enough. You think you smart, huh? You think your tribe evolved past old caveman hunger, but no, hunger just change outfit. You know chase mammoth now. You chase promotion, followers, and fake blue check marks. A same hunt, different jungle long ago. Your brain make deal with body. We survive by never feeling done. When you find food, brain say good job. 2 hours later, brain say more or die. Does that voice keep you alive when tiger still lurking in tall grass? But now, no tiger, only tax forms and traffic lights, yet same voice whisper. Not enough, so you run bigger cave, newer phone, shinier cart full of things you don't need. Brain reward you with joy for 5 minutes, then hit reset. Happiness level back to default like broken torch that flicker once and die. You look at yourself and say, but me succeed. Me supposed to feel good. Gurucha say, yes, but brain dumb. It celebrate once, then get bored. 2 smart tribe men, Brickman and Campbell, study this back in 1971. They look at people who win giant, shiny lottery. And for a short time, these humans smile like they swallow sun. But few moons later, same sadness, just wearing nicer clothes. Money Mountain can't fix emotional pothole. Because your brain not built to celebrate, it built to survive. It adapt faster than your bank account grow. And it chase more comfort, more luxury, more attention. Until peace become myth. And social media, that's treadmill with turbo mode. Every scroll, you see someone richer, prettier, happier, you think, me want that too. Boom, brain reset happiness again. You no longer live your life. You rent self-esteem from strangers online. Every time you gain more, you raise your expectations, you not rising in joy. You raising your bar. You level up game but forget to upgrade gratitude. Basically, brain greedy toddler with credit card. But wait, little runner, story not finish. Gurucha about to show you cruelest twist of all. Maybe the hunt for happiness itself make you miserable. Empire crackle louder now, continue, if courage still in heart. The happiness mirage, and now the twist. What if chasing happiness is what make you miserable? Think that no other animal do this? Wolf not look at other wolf and say, nice fur, bro. Me jealous. Bird not scroll branch book comparing nests. Only humans build treadmill. Run on it for fun and call it self-improvement. You worship dopamine, tiny brain chemical that fire when you expect reward, not when you have it. You don't enjoy the apple. You enjoy the chase for apple. Dopamine scream, maybe soon, not now good. American tribe make this chase holy. Add say bigger, newer, faster, better. No, you call it dream, but it just shiny carrot on stick. At house double size, phone upgrade, paycheck fatter, still same tired soul running in circles. You think happiness live inside Amazon cart? But once package arrive, dopamine drop faster than caveman rock. Brain whisper next. That's the treadmill feeding itself. The faster you run, the faster it spins. Basically, modern happiness, just subscription plan with no cancel button. The hidden exit, adaptation, enemy and gift. Now Gurucha not say brain evil, adaptation once save tribe. You find food, brain celebrate, then move on to hunt again, good system. It makes species survive, not die hugging mango. But now, abundance everywhere, no tiger, plenty of pizza. Brain still think must adapt fast or die, so it stops celebrating. You eat more, buy more, scroll more, and somehow feel less alive. Adaptation keep you alive, but also keep you restless. And you no longer hungry for survival, just for stimulation. So you confuse pleasure with purpose. But here, secret. You cannot kill adaptation. You must redirect it. Let it adapt to gratitude, not greed. Let it chase meaning, not more stuff. That's why some rich tribe leaders take cold shower to feel life again. Some families sell half possessions, live smaller, laugh bigger. Harvard tribe study humans for 80 years and find simple truth. Joy come from connection, not collection, so no, happiness not broken. You just pointing it wrong way. Basically, stop adapting to comfort. Start adapting to gratitude. How to step off the treadmill. Now that you see the monster in the map, little runner, it's time to slow down your legs and wake up your soul. Because truth is, treadmill never stop. But you can stop running like fool on it. You cannot break the machine. It's part of being human, but you can change how you move on it. Instead of chasing more, you walk with enough. Instead of asking, what next? You ask, what now? Start small, morning comes. You open eyes, don't grab shiny rectangle yet. Just breathe, brain scream, scroll. But you say, shut up brain. Feel air move in nose. That free happiness right there. You just forget how it feels because it not come with notification. Write gratitude like caveman draw on wall. Simple things, warm blanket, hot fire, people who not throw rock at you today. When you remember blessings, brain rewire itself. Science tribe even prove it. Gratitude journaling raise baseline mood, like fire raise cave temperature. Next, stop comparing with other tribe members. Compete with their caves, their abs, their fancy cooked leaves called salads. You live own story. The moment you measure life with someone else's stick, joy leak out like broken jar. Try minimalist thinking, not because it's trendy, but because too much stuff makes mind heavy. And the less you own, the freer your fire burns. Experiences feed soul longer than objects feed ego. A bonfire with tribe, laughter with friend. Sunset with quiet heart, these cost nothing but pay more than gold ever will. And remember, excitement not same as happiness. Them fireworks impress, but campfire heal. You think happiness come from thrill, but it actually live in stillness. It hide between slow breaths, between small moments you too busy to notice. Gurucha say, stop trying to trap happiness. It not rabbit. It wind, you don't chase it. You feel it while it pass through you. So next time you think, if me just get that thing, me finally happy laugh at your brain, pat it gently and say, nice try old software, then go outside. Look at sky, eat banana slowly, maybe share with someone who need it. That real wealth, when joy no longer depend on what you buy, but on how you see, basically peace not hiding in future. It's sitting right next to you, tapping shoulder, waiting for you to stop running long enough to notice.
That all. Me make more soon. You subscribe, or me sad. You subscribe now. Gurucha not want cry alone. Tribe grow big, then me happy.